Konnichiwa. Welcome to Japanese Cooking Ichie. Today, I'll introduce you to how to make karaage. This is a simple recipe that is very juicy and delicious. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Please prepare 300 grams of chicken thighs for 2 servings. First, cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Chicken thighs have thick and thin parts like this. To ensure even cooking, the key is to cut the thicker parts into smaller pieces so that all pieces are about the same size. For 300 grams of chicken thighs, it's best to cut them into about 10 pieces. Finally, check to see if all the pieces are the same size. If any pieces are too large, cut them into 2 smaller pieces. Once you're done cutting, place all the pieces into a large bowl. Next, to marinate the chicken, add the seasonings to the bowl. 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of sake, 3 pinches of nutmeg. Adding nutmeg enhances the spiciness and makes it even more delicious. Finally, grate and add 2 cloves of garlic. Once all the seasonings are added, mix everything well to ensure the marinade seeps into the chicken. Since the marinade determines the deliciousness, make sure to mix thoroughly to avoid uneven flavor. Afterward, let the chicken sit at room temperature for 30 minutes to allow the flavors to penetrate. Be sure not to place it in the refrigerator, as it may result in uneven cooking. Next, let's prepare to fry the chicken. Get a large frying pan and add oil. A sufficient amount of oil is enough to submerge the chicken about halfway. Heat the oil over medium heat until it reaches the temperature where small bubbles appear when you dip chopsticks into the oil. This means the oil is ready for frying. Next, spread a layer of potato starch evenly on a plate and coat the chicken pieces with it. There are 2 key points to keep in mind here. 1. To prevent uneven cooking, start frying with the larger pieces of chicken first. 2. Make sure to squeeze off any excess marinade from the chicken. This step is crucial for achieving a crispy coating. Once the chicken is evenly coated in potato starch, carefully place it into the frying pan slowly to avoid splattering oil. Make sure to thoroughly remove any excess moisture and ensure that the potato starch is evenly coated before gently adding it to the oil. Repeat this process with all the pieces of chicken. Once all the chicken is in the pan, fry each piece for 3 minutes on both sides. While there are recipes that call for double frying, this recipe uses smaller pieces of chicken, so frying them once is sufficient. After 3 minutes, turn the chicken pieces over. It's best to prioritize flipping the pieces that started frying earlier. Once the other side has fried for about 3 minutes, keep an eye out to avoid burning and remove the pieces that have developed a nice dark brown color. This level of color indicates a good frying result. Take out the fried pieces and let them rest for about 2 to 3 minutes. This serves 2 purposes, allowing the residual heat to finish cooking the chicken and helping to drain off any excess oil. Now let's plate the dish. Placing a salad underneath can enhance the presentation. And it's done. Can you see how juicy it looks? Doesn't it look delicious? Of course, the chicken is juicy, and with the spiciness of the nutmeg and the savory aroma of the soy sauce, it's very delicious. Adding a splash of lemon juice also enhances the flavor, so be sure to give it a try. I hope you are enjoying today's video. If you enjoyed the recipe, please let me know. If you liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. ありがとう